How to upload images to Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can upload images to Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. Now from the homepage that appears, tap on Create, that is in the top menu, which you will find beside the Marketplace and between the Marketplace and Search section. Tap on it. Now scroll down and click on Manage My Experiences. Now on this page, simply hover your cursor to any experience and tap on Manage Experience. Now once you're in this page of Creator Hub, simply tap on Creations. And there you will see the option of Development Items, which is beside the Avatar items. Simply tap on it. Now you will see the option of Decals, that is between the Audio and Images option. Tap on it. Now you can upload your image. As an example, I'll choose a random image. So tap on Upload Asset and then tap on Upload. Upload an image that you'd like to set and give it a name and a description. Well, after that, tap on Upload, which is highlighted in blue color. And that's how you can upload images to Roblox. So if this was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.